Okay, today we have a video by Carissa Brown, and we're gonna do egg surprise. And we're gonna do Play-Doh egg surprise. We're gonna see what we have in each egg and unwrap the Play-Doh, okay? So let's get started with the random egg surprise party. Okay, let's start with our egg surprise number 1. What are we doing? Let's go see the eggs. Okay, that one. What's that? Okay, let's sit right here so we can see in front of the video. Alright, let's see. Here's a Play-Doh egg surprise, a purple Play-Doh. What's inside? Give me the Play-Doh. And then we're going to have a blue egg inside. Say it's a blue egg.
A blue egg.
Okay. And then we're going to look what's inside. What's inside? Oh! Spider-Man. Wow, look at this. We got Spider-Man inside of there. Okay, hooray, a stretchy Spider-Man. Okay, stay in front of the video so we can keep going. This one's done. Now let's do the next one. Another purple Play-Doh. We're going to open it up so the camera can see it. Okay, and then it's a pink egg. Let me see the Play-Doh. Pink egg. And what do we have inside the pink egg? We have a, what could it be? We got a, what is that? Let's see. A small deck of cards. It's a small deck of playing cards. Wow. Don't tear the box up. Let's do it the easy way so it don't tear up the box. It's a playing cards. Undo it right here. I'm going to just show you. You can do it. So undo it right there. It's playing cards you can play war with.
Oh.
Okay. Hold on. Come over here.
You look like you were a little kid.
War.
Look.
War. It's war.
Let me see. Let me see the cards. Don't get them all out. Let's start with the next one. Look, Layla, look at the small deck of cards you can play war with.
It's war.
Okay, don't get them all out. You can't play with them if you get them all out. Let's do the next egg surprise.
Okay.
Alright, you just wait. You're making a mess. We can't see what's going on now. Hold on, let's put these out of the way. Now these are all in the way of our video. Our prizes are in the way. Alright, orange Play-Doh. What do we have inside? An orange ball. Okay, we see it this way, right here. Alright, an orange ball.
We gotta see right here.
Okay.
It's just on this.
Alright, sit it right there.
Let's open this one.
Okay, shake it. What could it be? Sounds familiar. It's an orange Play-Doh. We're going to unwrap it. A blue egg. We're going to shake it one more time. See what's inside. Oh, sounds like, looks like, I can't see. A keychain. Alright. It's a globe keychain, everybody. Can't see. Okay. We got a purple Play-Doh egg. We're going to open up the Play-Doh. We're going to go inside to a red egg. Okay. Now, what do we have? Another Spider-Man. It's up a different way.
Another.
I think you took that picture.
I got two.
I just need some hair back. I'll be fine.
Two.
Alright. You got 2 of them.
Oh.
Okay. You want to open them?
Yep.
Okay, hold on 1 minute, egg surprise.